quick overview of basic Excel formula today. Let's jump in. As you can see, I have already uploaded my data set here, and let me do count the age value is equal to count open parenthesis, and then I have to select all the data here, then close parenthesis, then enter. Now you can see my value come 19. Similarly, I can do for tax revenue. Now let me do that. Count open parenthesis and then select the value, then the result is similar. And now let me find out the average of this tax revenue is equal to average. Now I have to select the data till end. Now close the pen and enter. Now you can see the average 12.005. Now I have to delete the sum value I have already done before. Let me show you. Is equal to sum open parenthesis and then select the data till end. Now close it. Then you have to click. You can see the sum of the population country, and let me go to the tax revenue part. Let me find out this is less than 5 or greater than. Is it yes or no? So I'm putting if formula. If 5 is greater than is equal to this tax revenue, and then comma, and then yes or no. If I click over there, and I got the result. You can see there is no, right? Then do max value now. So I am taking a maximum value for age column. So need to put is equal to max and then open parenthesis, and then we have to select that column by putting Control A, or you can select it by dragging down. Now you can see the result 92, and let me find the minimum value here. Then open parenthesis, then select the column till end, right? Control A. No, I'm putting till 74. Okay, it's fine. Now close the parenthesis. Now got the result. Yeah, let me do the VLOOKUP below, and right is equal to VLOOKUP, and then we have to do similarly. Last video I have shown you how to do the VLOOKUP. Similarly we can